In this lection we continue to create injector pin, back pin and also orientation pin for mold, but first we start to control the piece and which place we want to have it, injector pin, and after we continue with the back pin. When we finish back pin we continue with the orientation pin for mold, or we can say also when we want to set up mold, they are to put mold in correct place, but we start first in which place we want to have it, injector pin. We can have it also like that, but we need to control a little, and like we see, it's better if we have one pin here, and we can have it one pin here, but we can measure which size it's from here. I want to delete this because it was face, and we have a 5mm. We can have it one 5mm here and one 5mm here. We can have it a 2 pin, and for here I think it's we can have it one bigger, or we can use better if we use 2. Here we can use 10mm 2 pin, and also it's better if we use 1 pin in a filter, because we have some small draft, we don't have a big draft, and it's better also we can use 1 here, and 2 pin we need to use also 2 pin in runner system, and 1 pin we can have it also here. It's here it's close, and if we use it in this feeder, it's no problem, because it's a close and it can push out without problem. I'm thinking in which place, if we use 1 here or we use here. If we use it here, we know because we machine it, and we can open because it's a hole inside, and if we use here we can mark it. It's better we use also 1 here, and here it's no problem for push out the piece, and I don't think so we need more pin, but we can start to create sketch first. One pin here, 1 here, and also in filter we want to have it 1 here, and 1 pin we can have it here in this area. Here we said we have 5, and also it's better if we go with the E code both, because if we want to change one, we can change in here and it change automatic in both. And here we said we leave 10, and same here. It's enough. We go with a 6. And here we go the bigger 12. If we go 6. And also same here, we have it 6. I want to have it in middle. It was wrong because I set to fix, but we can delete, and now it's okay. And it's better if we move a little, not leave it here in radius, and also here we can move. If you want from here in quarter, we can go click with a shift, and we have dimension. We can go 4, and from here to this point we go 30. Also I want to have it in middle. If I go 2.5, and this point, we can have it like this, also this. We go to the 4, and also we go from here in center. We go 4. And now we have it here on Ben. And we can have it one dimension. We can have it closer because we have it here, and we can have it closer. We have here also need some power to push out the piece. I go over the parallel. I want to measure from this to this. It's 7.7, we can see. Three point 8. can move this point and then have a dimension. But first I want to have it from here dimension, and after that we can have it here. It's over here, we need to make some dimension, and here we go with that. And here we go as close as we can, because it's, if we go up, we have an injector plate. On this line, I want to put Y. It can be its axle, and I want to put this on line. Now we have it. We have all the injector pin. We can create also injector pin when it's important part to have correct, like in phase. But here we have all. It's not with some, for example, like here with a radius, or but I can show, for example, if you want it for, if you want to have it like with a radius here, I can close first the sketch and I can show you how we can create a pin. I can go on sketch here and I have it one. Have it one more time, like that. And when you create pin, you need to say extrude, and you can go up to surface. You can have it like that, and you can create. Now you have a pin. I can say for only body, like that, and we have it. We have a pin up to surface. But when you want to machine it, also you can put inside in mold, and you can make it from back, stop, not rotate, and you have correct every time when you put when you set up, when you put in mold. I can delete this, and we can continue for create pin. Now we have a sketch. And when we have a sketch, we can work also in injector plate, because I can create injector plate, and we can have a linear. And when we have all, we can only make with a extrude cut, and we can have it placed for injector pin. But we continue with the back pin. We go with the back pin. We can create also. We can write it here, rename, and we can write injector pin, or how you want to have it in sketch. It's another sketch we can create for back pin. For back pin, we know, because we can have it one here, and we have a space one here and one here. We go with the 3 in this side and 3 in this side. It's enough. It's better when you have it back pin. Don't put, if you can, don't put under, because if it's not mold close good, it can go material a little, and it go in injector pin, and we have some problem in casting. It's not, for example, every piece, but you can have problem and need to clean and start again for casting. We can have it like that. we go 3, and here we can have sorry, and we can have 1 here. We make all same, and we go with that. There are enough. Here down I want to have it in 1 line. Or I can delete, we can go in another way, we can have it this and same, and we can have dimension from here to here. We can say 85. It's good because I want to have a space here. And also when you grade it, it's better to have, for example, not 85.1, because when you machine it, when you machine mold, or when you want to open, to drill this for back pin, it's better have like a one, not with a point behind 85. It's easier for machining. And here I want to have like that, and we can say 52. We can have it in same line, or we can, but we can create it here, and we can say, also we can say here 52, and from top we go with that. This should be horizontal. $125. Here 16. Or we go insane. We go insane. We can delete this image. And this should be now we have back pin.